we got a ton of calls today. Condensing unit to change out on this little subway unit. Got a pizza table down, a table down, a freezer down, and a drink cooler. It's Saturday morning. I'm out doing my thing. And that's sunrise up. There it is. That's weird. Ooh, it's super cold in there, but it's reading. H.A. Let's look up what H.A. is for the Dixell control. So H.A. is high temp alarm, and as you can see, my box is at 6 degrees because it kept running. It's super frozen in there. So let's see what's going on with this thing. Back in, it's showing 99 degrees. I think we got a bad cabinet sensor. See that? 99 degrees. And the box is I'm at 4.5 degrees. So let me check the cabinet sensor. We're gonna get this. So this cover piece right here comes off, just clips in. We got 2 Phillips screws right here to pull this forward. And then there's also a plate on the bottom here with 2 Phillips screws that'll come out so you can get access to this controller because we have to replace the sensor. The temperature sensor has failed. This one's just an interface, Dixell interface on these units. Learning something new every day. Interesting. That means the control box is in the back behind there. I can see where the sensor is. So I gotta get in the evaporator section to get the sensor. So let's get to there. And they stuck it right underneath the coil where water got on it. You can see it's all rusted out and dead now. Looks like it might have a little connector over here. Let's check that out here. All right, I got the probe out. It has this connector on the end. And I think I got a probe that'll work on my truck. It's not the exact same probe, but I'll cut this off and make a connection. And then we should work. It's a great time to leak check that evaporator coil too. So I'll get the leak detector out. You can see these things all rust out to the max. These are those Chinese fridges. Yeah, those ones. Oh, baby. This is the actual Dixell control. It mounts on the side right here by the compressor. Has this cover on. It looks like a black box. That's where our probe ends up coming, right here.
Okay, they want the same
Interface connections, power in, power out. So let's get it plugged in and see what happens here. And with the new probe 42, woohoo! Let's see what we're set for. 33. Let's do gold. multiple offender.
Right?
Now, how old is this fridge, you think? 2 years old?
Oh, maybe, yeah, like around 2 years, yes.
Yeah, about 2 years. You can see all the buildup on there. Leaker. Rust-Oleum.